Today, we will be making an easy to make and use folder. So let's get started. The materials you'll need are scissors, glue, and construction paper. First, take two of the papers and glue one edge of the construction paper. You may have to glue it several times. Next, place the other paper on top of it and secure. Then take your scissors and cut diagonally on the third piece of paper. This will be your flaps. Repeat this step until you get a desired shape. Discard any excess paper scraps. Place flaps on each side of the paper. If it runs over the fold line, snip it off. If the shape is still not to your liking, recut it to fit the folder. Just glue the straight edges and press down firmly. As you can see here, we messed a little on these few steps, but that's okay. Fold over the paper and crease it down the middle. Now that you've completed your folder, feel free to decorate it as you'd like. Enjoy!